possible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a great weekend, ready for a great week. Let's see what the markets have done. A little bit of normalcy coming back to the markets. We see here ES down at 53.60, and then looks like high day 87, so only 27 points in range. Normalcy before CPI, PPI over the PPI, CPI over the next couple of days. And Q 515 up to 690, so 175 points in range. Not like the 300 we have been seeing. Copper took off overnight big time. Looks like about 180 ticks of range. Ultra bond up and down roller coaster there. It's like about 3/4 of a point. Gold trying to march back toward 2,500. It's like we have 22 points in range there. Crude oil also marching back up to dipping close to 70 last week. Looks like we have just over a point in range there. Natural gas heading down. Bitcoin trying to reclaim 60,000. It's like that's a daily chart. It hit 60,000 exactly. That's what makes one of the few things that makes me wonder about Bitcoin is it hits these perfect numbers. I mean, 60,000 exactly. You see this so often. Often makes me wonder if it's somehow manipulated. Anyway, that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. We are getting a blue candle here right off the bat. Let me see here. There it is. Blue candle doesn't seem to be working, so we won't take that. There it goes, it goes. I'm using new streaming software. I've switched to regular OBS. So let me tell everyone should tell me if they can't hear me. Or, well, I guess you can't tell me if you can't hear me because you couldn't hear me ask that. Let me know if you can hear me and if everything looks good. It's coming back down. Our ATR, which had been like all last week, maybe the last couple weeks at this time, around 10 or even higher, sometimes 15 this time of day. But we've come down to just over 5, just under 6. So we definitely a calmer day thus far. Right now, it's kind of ugly. Well, not ugly, but just an opportunity here. Gold taking off. That nice move up over there. How's everyone doing this bright, sunny Monday? I'm not sure. Is this Sunday? It's cloudy here. They might want rain today. Okay, what am I doing? Just trying to pop, but we're at high day right now. We're not. I lie. We're high day on ES just about. NQ lagging a little bit behind. High day is 690. We're at 668. 668. Blue candle again trying to pop here. Rubbing against the bands. I don't really like it. You can see this one would have stopped me out. Excuse me. News today? We have no news today. At least that's according to the thing that just popped up on my Discord. Nope, no news today. Except for Canadian building permits, I don't think that moves the market. Right now, I don't know. Seems like we go from absolute screaming price action, absolute boring price action. 5-minute chart looks like, ooh, 5-minute, beautiful bounce there. That would have been nice. If I was playing the 5 minutes, I would play this long. That's interesting. Try and get back up to that 681. Ooh, sorry. Still understand why some things come across financial juice. Tiny dinosaur tracks in northwest China could help to trace evolution of birds. Yeah, that's really going to move the market. So far, no opportunities that I like. Yeah, purple candle there. I don't know. I don't feel good about it. I'll try it anyway. Blue sky. Where's my trade of 8? There it is. And no, I'm not going to take it. It's sitting right there. Yeah, watch it go now. Which is okay. This could be a very boring morning compared to the last couple of weeks. No news catalyst, so we're moving slow. The open could change that, of course. So yeah, that purple candle, not working for 5. Oh yeah, again, I need to change my ATR. Oh, what did I just do? That's not what I wanted to do. I just broke my trade of 8. Let's try this again. First of all, put my ATR down to, I guess, let's just go for 5 points right now. There we go. I'm ready for the next time. I should have just targeted that 100 EMA. Been nice. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you? How was the weekend? I was all right. Purple candle. It's kind of hovering right above that 100 EMA. Friday, we had a good time over at the Funded Futures Network Discord. So bounces off the 100, back up for a few points. See if it can break back down through. It's just kind of popping back up. Rangy. Haven't had a choppy day in a while. I don't have my choppy graphic ready because I switched over to OBS, so I have all my little memes ready to go. Hasn't quite got it back up to that high we saw just a few minutes ago. Let's see if it comes up, up, down, up, lower, high, and down, or if this is just a little blip. So what do you guys prefer, when it gets slower like this, or do you like the fast pace that we saw the last couple of weeks? And that I think we're going to see again after PPI, CPI tomorrow. Hey, David. Yep. I mean, I tend to agree. I just, my mistake was in sizing down for some of it, and then not, not willing to move my stop to where it needed to be based on it. Hope you had a good weekend, David. It's rising up. Oh yeah, that's a good point. The spread was at times like 3 points. And yeah, that sucked. Even now though, I'm looking at the price slider. Sometimes it looks like looking like a 5 ticks. 3 ticks, 5 ticks. This is the blue candle I should have taken. I didn't like that it went from band to EM made it band, but obviously would have gave me 5 again. So I missed 2 opportunities for 5 points. We'll get more. Morning, Chris. How are you? All right, guys, I changed streaming software from Streamlabs to regular OBS. You guys notice any difference in the quality of the stream? There shouldn't be a difference, but I just want to make sure it's not anything worse or any problems. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. I didn't expect anything better. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't any worse. I did notice I couldn't change it to 1080p when I tried. So I don't know if it's only putting out at 720. Streamlabs puts out at 1080. I may need to adjust that. Streamlabs was causing my processor to just overwork lately. At times it was overheating. So I decided to move the OBS for the streaming and see if that makes it better. I've read that OBS is less of a system hog. And I have a high-end processor, so it shouldn't have been a problem. So we're grinding up here now. And we're just about at high day again. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? 690. We're at 680. I was close. Dow at high day. ES at high day. Gold's still rumbling up. Look at that. Just about back at its highs. Will gold hit 2,500 today? We'll see. Reminder that this Friday, we'll be having a 9-hour long live stream starting at 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. RJ will be joining me on the mic for the entire 9 hours. So we'll trade the London Open all the way through the New York Open until the London market closes. Still rising up. There's our new high day. So can I get 700? It's grinding up along that 9 EMA. So far, my processor isn't yelling about anything. Probably also need to get inside the computer and clean it out. Probably some dust and stuff in there. I think it might be trying to come down. If this stays purple, we'll take it. I don't like that it's hovering right above the 20, but trying to get down to that 100 EMA basically there, or short. Let's see if it bounces off the 20. I have my target right above that 100 EMA. It's not actually right above. It's actually 3 points above. I have about a 9-point stop on this. Got close to my target and pulled back. There we go. Target hit. First win of the day. First win of the week. 6.25 points. Nice, calm execution. And didn't go much further than where I got out at. In fact, it only went 2 more ticks. I got kind of lucky. 2 ticks and then bounced. 2 more ticks and bounced. So 1 for 1 on the morning. Let's try and get another. Another purple candle. I'm not sure. Not 100% sure I like it there, though. I should have liked it. That's going to go down to the 100, I think. Hey, thank you, Chris. Sorry, I had the chat blocked with the window. Sorry. And good morning, Juan. So it didn't come down to the, well, it kind of came down to the 100 met it, kind of bounced there, still staying under the 20. Now it's breaking the 100. There's the 100 break. So it came, bounce, bounce, bounce. Bouncy, bouncy. We're a little more than 45 minutes till the bell. Are we ready for PPI tomorrow? Sneeze. Pushing down. So we're back down to 661, which is about where we started the stream. That's what the 5-minute looks like. Yeah, I said this blue candle, I would have taken it if I was running a 5-minute chart. And actually, it would have worked. Oh, and this purple candle is actually perfect off the 5. I want to start watching the 5. I want to start doing one account, just the 5-minute, and see how it goes. This one would have scared me because it did dip back down. It would have only been about a 10-point stop, though, and you can see it went from 670 up to 693. So we could have got 20 points off of it. And now we've seen this purple candle, and it's come down to about 10. Interesting to see if it gets down to 100 EMA there on the 5. How you doing today, Juan? How was your trading last week? Hey, John, how was your weekend? Friday seemed to be tough. I was struggling on Friday as well. I did okay in the morning over at Funded. No, I didn't. I lie. I was down on Funded Futures Network. I started off good and then went backwards. John DeFore, I appreciate you the conversation you did over at the Funded Futures Network Discord on Friday. Those people don't talk. They don't chat. I gotta end up bringing my own people in order to have any chat going. Oh, that's not good at all. Should have hired someone for that, John. Ooh, pops up. Good. I think that's a smart idea there, John. I think it's good to stay active, honest, but some chores just are they're not fun. When they're not fun, they're not whatever. Then you hate doing them and all that other stuff, and they make you sore. They whatever. Then yeah, get someone younger to do them. Heading back up to the 100 EMA, which is converged with the 20 EMA. And down. About 7 minutes till the top of the hour. Oh, okay. Just this one ended up being too big, or hey, 10 points is nothing to sneeze at. I got 6. Oh, there's a drop. Would have got me another 6 points. I should have taken it. They lost 3 of 4 to Arizona, and they got absolutely pounded in the last 2 games. Yeah. The Phillies still have like a 7.5 game lead, so I think they're still going to win the division, but they got to get things right. Hey, Hassan, nice to see you. Long, but I'm late. Injuries take out the rest, John? Wow. No sleep again, Hassan? Yeah, I ended up getting in right above the 9. It's back below the 9. I hate that. Okay. Oh, good. What's your upward target, Hassan? What are you hoping for? Okay. Where'd you get in at, Hassan? Sniffing the 20. Come on. Sniffs the 20, bounces off, pushes up. I'm going to take it off. Small win, very small. But I just had a feeling it doesn't want to break that 20, but it might, but I'm fine taking another gain, small gain. Looks like it might have been a good decision, actually. How about that? 650. So you didn't take profit when it hit 693 back here? Oh, goes down, bounces. Now that's just going to hit that 100 EMA. Still rising up. Top of the hour. Give me a minute, I'm posting something on Discord. 1 sec, guys. I apologize. Okay, so I missed the blue candle rise up. There we go. Sorry about that. I was showing something on Discord, something. Yeah, that was amazing, John. It was absolutely amazing. Just fell in his glove. Um, what I think is going on with Apex, Chris, is they're getting. If you remember the polls they took about that big questionnaire of how things should be, blah blah blah. They asked everyone. They say they're putting those changes into the system. So I think the 80% is going to go until they're done, until that's ready. So I don't know if that's ready now. Um, I do notice that they again, it's the deal is supposed to expire at midnight Eastern, and usually if they have them expire at midnight Eastern, they extend them. And if they have them expire at 5 p.m. Eastern, that ends up in the new deal. So we'll have to wait and see. But I think they're going to keep this 80% going until they're ready with whatever changes they're making. That said, at this point, Apex has dropped to number 5 or number 6 on my list. Probably number 5. Uh, and if you want to, Bulenox is my pick over Apex at this point if you're looking for something that's pretty much sim only. Yeah, John. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Good, and I mean, I think he was as shocked as anybody else at that ball landing in his glove. He's more the everyday left fielder. Rojas, it depends. He sucks versus left-handers. Marsh does. So if he's a left-hander, you're probably gonna see Rojas in center, and we were putting Hayes in left that we got from the Orioles, but Hayes injured himself the other day, so now it's Marsh being giving opportunities versus left-handers, and as well as we just called another guy up from the minors. Versus right-handers, you'll see Marsh in center field and Rojas on the bench. But Rojas's defense is elite, and I mean, even if he's not producing at the plate, I like having him out there. Short off this purple. It comes down for me if it goes right back up. If it breaks back above the net, yeah, 9 and 20. I mean, yeah, 20 and the 9, which are there together, I'll get out. I like Brandon Marsh, but I think the Phillies are going to regret the trade that brought him to the Phillies. Hey Ace, how you doing? How was the weekend? Logan O'Hoppe, catcher, who's outperforming JT Realmuto this year. Oh wow, you don't get a lot of those, do you, Ace? 20 minutes to go. Oh, there we go. Target hit. Boom. 3 for 3 on the morning. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, John. Yeah, Ace. There's some weeks we get 3 or 4 of those, or there's some days we can get 2 or 3 rounds of those. Pops back up. So we are about 17 minutes from the bell, to the bell. All right, guys, case you missed it, big news. Ace figured out how to use Discord on Friday. So we'll be back on the 23rd over at Funded Futures Network Discord stream there. They actually just dropped a 50% off and buy one get one free sale as well. They're good guys over there. Trying to pop back up here, but eh. Well, we can now get Chinese commodity exchange futures data directly on the charts. If anyone wants to trade Chinese futures, TradingView has them. I wouldn't make that public. Morning, Mrs. Ace. That would be bad for you, Ace. You'll need to start getting more than 2 points to feed everybody. Morning, RJ. We're just chilling here. A little bit slower this morning than we've seen the last few weeks, which is fine. PPI tomorrow, CPI Wednesday. Blue candle popping. I needed it's kind of rubbing against the 10. Yes. We will be trading the London session on Friday, 2:30 a.m. Eastern to 11:30 a.m. Eastern. Me and RJ. Join us for that. Gold still trying to push up. Gold's made a new high. Trying to get back to 2,500. Just sitting here waiting. We'll try not to give back after the bell. Did you get a short there on ES? I want to thank everyone for being here. Feel free to join us in the chat. We have fun here as well as trading. Questions and comments are always welcome. I used to say insults too, but people took that too literally. Try to push up here, but it's struggling. Hey, CBR, how you doing? That would have been a good trade right there, had I taken it. Unusual for you to be here on a Monday, CBR. Off work today? You didn't lose another toe, did you? Up to the 100 EMA. So that went a great trade. Sorry. Rises up to that 100 EMA. We are 5 minutes till the bell. I bet you there'll be another opportunity after the bell, Ace. So remember, we got excitement later this week. Tomorrow, PPI. It's unusual for PPI to come out before CPI, but it is. And then CPI on Wednesday. Thursday, we have jobless claims and a whole bunch of other stuff. U.S. core retail sales, Philly Fed Business Index, New York Fed Manufacturing Index, industrial production, and Friday, UK retail sales. I'll have to actually watch that. U.S. housing starts, University of Michigan sentiment preliminary. So lots going on this week. This is the only newsless day. Sitting right on the 100 EMA. Our high for the day, 693, or just about 30 points under it. Nice. 125 of a micro is very nice. We are all inspiring. This purple candle's trying to entice me right here before the bell, but it's not going to work. Whoa, it should have worked. Whoa. What the heck just happened? Does they realize that the bell hasn't rang yet? What was that? Oops. Oops. Hold on. Oops. I'm hitting everything wrong. Sorry. I hit the bell, I hit the ad, I hit the everything. 21 points down, like right here, 2 minutes before the bell. ES down 4, 5, 4. Not seeing anything news-wise. Awesome. Congrats, David. Using new software for streaming, that's why I just had that major, like everything was popping at once there because I was hitting the wrong things. Purple candle was the perfect setup. Green at the top, bouncing off the 100 EMA. Wish I had taken it. Bell, not quite as exciting as 2 minutes before the bell. Give me a minute. I need to check on my feeder cattle. Ooh, look at that gap up. Bounces off the 100 again. Big purple candle. Big old purple candle. Time to bring out the 10. Nope, went away. Struggling. Yep, gives back. Got 10 seconds on this candle. Oop, now it's purple again. It's a 24-point candle. I should have a micro chart ready, and I don't. At least I don't hear. Yep. Well, it's good I didn't anyway. Look at that pop up. And back down. And back up. Doesn't know where it wants to go. I know that feeling. Dow dipping. Gold ripping. I think gold wants 2,500 today, I think. Oh, by the way, guys, good news. I chatted with Sid Chase on Thursday. He's down there near Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, where that tropical storm was just absolutely dumping rain. They made it through fine. Thankfully it wasn't as bad as they had expected. So no issues for Sid. Good idea, David. We are just chopping right now. Can't decide where it wants to go. Dow decided where it wants to go. Wow, Dow's down 80. Crude's rising. RJ, are you in the Dow short by any chance? Blue candle. Ace is being an electrician. Coming right back down. Or right back up. What price, Ace? Okay. I was like, what? Nice, Ace, nice. Ooh, that would have been a great trade on my feeders. And push it down. ES bouncing up. This is what you call choppy to the chop. Nice. Now you can feed one of those extra Chinese people. Seems like it wants to push down that big wick on this green candle. Maybe not yet. Wow, John, really? RB? Should I go do market or limit? It's teasing me with this purple candle, and the purple goes away. Oh, back. Ooh, ow. I'm in. Target hit. Boom. 10-point trade. So let's look at RB. I have RB crunched down here because I never look at it. Thank you, Ace. Oh, wow, look at that drop. I just, because I know, oh, wait, this is that's a nice run. The reason I asked John is that almost always has like a huge spread. Like sometimes $100 if you mark it in, you're immediately down $100. So that's interesting that, your algo's taking that. So I got 10, could have got 20, but that's okay. Yeah, huge slippage. Look at gold. Look at gold go. Bitcoin? Still dropping here. Looks like it's heading down towards 600. Wonder if Hassan's still in. I think he fell asleep. Yeah. Well, RV's brother heating oil is what I used to lose $3,000 once when I went over a consistency rule. I mean, obviously, if you're right, that little bit of slippage just doesn't matter. But if you're wrong, it makes it hurt even more. Good, Hassan. A, I was hoping you were still here because I wasn't trying to talk about you behind your back. And B, I'm glad you took profit. I'm really starting to hate these feeders. Still dropping. Just broke 600. Our low of the overnight all the way down. Oh wow, all the way down at 515. But I wonder if we're gonna get there. Look at the Dow. Look at that candle on the Dow. 164. Just a sell off. Bounce. You think it's really gonna drop that far, Ace? Yeah, Dow's just dying. Of course, everything's kind of dying now, but Dow started dying before everything else did. Look at this, just run. I'm mad that I didn't get more out of this. What's a 5-minute look like? Oh, wow. Look at that beautiful purple candle on the 5. Wow. These are the things I fall in love with. The end is near. Everyone wants to be a doomsayer. The end is near. The end is near. I take it you got some of that Dow drop, Mr. RJ? I feel like there's a song there. It's dying, but it's making me a living. Is that a good wow or a bad wow or just an observational wow? Nice, RJ. Oh, nice. How much did you get, John? That sell button's finally getting some use from you. Took the long. Hoping it'll just go. It didn't. I'm going to take the stop. So I gave back that last trade. Looked like it was ready to go. Maybe if I had gotten in right on that green candle, I got in late. If I had gotten in right away, I would have got my 10 there. Dang it. Crude coming down. Dow just continuing to die. Now it's popping. Nice, John. Nice. Dow might be done dying. I'm looking at it a 5-minute chart. Let's see what it looks like on the one. That's a nice blue candle there. And blue candle's going away some. A bit political. Big supply zone. It doesn't seem to be bouncing though. Dow's still falling. Crude oil bounces. AQ came back up for a little bit, bouncing down. And Q, I like that setup if it goes. Nope. 5 minutes to the top of the hour. If you're trying to get above the 9, goes. ES, still below its 9. Not afraid of falling. JJR, are you here today? You find someone new to watch in the day I wasn't here. Yes, I'm long and it's probably stupid. Yep, it's stupid. I'm gonna get knocked out. Not going. Stupid trade. Didn't follow any rules. Morning, JJR. I didn't take the purple that I should have taken right there. That would been good. Oh, Phidias just took a dump. All right, CBR. Looking forward to that. Falling. Dow's still falling. ES still falling. Gold's now falling. Now YM's curling up. ES has a little blue candle there too. But could not get above the 9 EMA. Still trying. Banging its head on it. Okay, get above the 9 here. 30 seconds. Top of the hour. Never knew the Dow was in the hardware. Carpentry. Crap. Pushing up now. Still rising up. All right. The entire Dow or no? Wait, are you like opposite in those direction in the direction of the trades, JR? Or do you have an upside target, RJ? Took the long off that long wick little body candle. Let's see if it gives it to me. This is me thinking I'm smarter than my strategy, apparently, because there we go. Boom, 20 points. So I identified this candle here, saw that it dipped, came right back up, was all wick, very little body, decided to take an entry there. And I thought it was going to bite me, but nope. Got me 20 points, 74 to 94. Still rising. Got it back, but a little bit easy for me to say. Back above 600. That's the 616. No. 12 points is still good. I was thinking about getting out because I was getting this line here. This is going to pull back here shortly. We're going to still pull back. What did your algo think, CBR? I guess we're not going to pull back. I was wrong. I was wrong. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Give me a minute while I take a trade on feeder cattle. So I don't know if I want to take a trade on feeder cattle. Yeah, we'll take a trade. See where it goes. Sorry, I left it sitting on feeder cattle. I apologize. Still rising, so I was wrong about the pullback. I apologize for that. No one should be like following what I say anyway. Broke right through that 100 too. And our high is 693. Seemed like just a few minutes ago I was talking about what the low was. Now we're back to being 50 points off the high. 60 points off the high. But it's 10 points between friends. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I'd appreciate if you would gore that like button. Let people know you enjoy it. Uh, John, I think I'm taking tonight off. I have a lot I need to get done for other things. Right now, I'm struggling to keep up with everything. I have like 30 projects I want to get done, and it's like this prop firm thing is starting to really blow up big time. The CEO of MyFundedFutures predicts 25 more prop firms entering the space in the next 6 months. Just now, John, or I see definite big pullback there on gold. Did not get up to 2,500. I thought it wanted 2,500, but that's quite the drop. Yeah, CVR. Although a lot of them are going to crap that I won't even deal with. So a lot of them are Forex companies now coming into futures. And algos, you may have actually found a good algo there, John. Here's NQ going for highs. It's at 668, needs 25 more points. Oh, I forgot about my feeder cattle. I'm up $75 on feeder cattle. Well, that's been going lately. I probably should just take that. It's breaking the 20 on the 5-minute chart. Y'all should join next month's challenge. Deciding this week what asset we want to do. Look at this beautiful rise. Rising up. $690 is an important area. Oh, got up to 683, stalling. Ooh, big purple. I love it when you call me big purple. Oh, I'm sorry. Couldn't resist that one. See if that chases me back up. I'm just going to target the 9 there. Not going. Yep, it's going to chase me back up. Wow, chasing me back up. Yep. Okay, coming back down. Nope. Stopped. Ouch. Nice, John. Nice. Big pop. Up to 700. New high of day. Great call, RJ. New high of day on NQ. Go for it, John. Should have taken the profit on the feeders. I'm down now. Pulling back. Okay, John. Ouch. Sorry. There's a purple. That might be coming down now. Why can't anything just drop? Yes. On Ninja Trader, yes. The only way you wouldn't have to do that is if you have the Ninja Trader multi-broker, I'm stopped out, multi-broker license that would have been bought over 10 years ago. Yeah, there's no easy way to switch. You're welcome. Here. Oh, my feeders just went up. Oh my God. Back. 25K. Are you using regular minis with that, JJR? That was the purple I should have taken. Maybe. It only went 5, so no. I guess it wasn't. Or maybe it was. Who knows? Cool. Ah, my feeder's pulled back again. Popping up. Yep. Bounces again. Still waiting. Popping back up, bouncing off the 9. So our high got up to 728. So let's see what the 5-minute looked like. 5-minute, it was that bounce there. Didn't really look much like a bounce. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, IMAD, it's been up and down. I've given everything back, which kind of sucks. I think it's just an affiliate, but I can't be sure. It's a good question. Could be Sage. I never thought about that. Still rising. Up to 732, new high day. Oh, really? Maybe that is Sage. Never considered that. We'll have to find out. Yeah, I'm looking at the Dow here on the 1 minute. I mean, everything gave a good setup here. ES gave a great setup that I didn't take, obviously. We had this nice little pullback there that oh, I'm still on a 5-minute chart. No wonder I'm looking at. But here down here in the Dow, look at that. It was a perfect pivot on this blue candle. I almost took this blue candle, and I didn't. I tried taking this blue candle on the Topstep account. That one didn't work. This one did. But here, this recent one here, you had this little bit of a pullback, and then right up against that 100 EMA, and that blue candle there would have obviously been perfect, but it was right on that 100 EMA. You never know if it's going to pause there or if it's going to blow through. It blew through. To 743. So now we're going to head up to 800. Hogs are falling. Yeah, good idea to take a mental break, reset. Coffee might not be the best idea if you're already amped up, but hey. Purple tries to break the 9. Everybody's purple. Dow's purple. ES is purple. Dow's no longer purple. And it's sitting on the 9. Popping up. Nope. Rejecting off the 9. Continuing down. Come on. Can't decide which way it wants to go. We have about 15 minutes left to go in the stream. That ended up being a good purple candle. Bounces back up. And down. Can it break the 20? If it breaks the 20, I'm kind of interested. It's a break. Can it hold? Nope. Didn't hold. And tries to go to blue. Total indecision candle. We'll try the long. What the heck? Long's been the way it seems to have been wanting to go lately. There we go. Look at that. Take it off there. Not sure it wants to get back up to those highs. So that's a 7.25 point trade. $145. Excuse me. Thank you, John. I could have stayed in for more. I got to get better at that. I should have moved the stop up to break even and see what it wanted to do. Congratulations, JJR. Nice job. Boom. Big old purple candle. Bouncing off the 20, though. I need a break of the 20. I ever mentioned I hate big candles? Not going to chase me all the way back up. Not exactly the open. Oh, okay. Back to the opening price. Yeah, I see that big dip there, then bounce, and now it looks like it's trying to come. Not sure what it wants to do there. Come on down for me. Come on down. If there's a break of the 9 back up. Coming back. Come on back. We have about 7 minutes to go. It's playing on the 9. It bounces back above it. I don't like that wick. There we go. Well, let's back down to my entry. This point, let's just put it there at the band and see if it comes back down. It's the purple candle. I like this. I like it. I like it. Come on down. I want 5 points. No, if we go, yeah, I want, no, not gonna give it to me, is it? Come on. Come on. You know you wanna. You know you wanna. It sounds like a law firm. Williams and Stotch. We'll get the money you're due. Ah, blue candle popping. Trying to get beaten down. Red. There we go. Come on. Wow, target hit. Boom. So there we go. Finish the day on a nice note. Ooh, sorry to. That was following my plan. I put the stop at the top of that purple candle, even though it was a huge stop. I did not get out when it went up. Moved my stop to the top of this purple candle. Once it formed, stayed in. I thought for sure we were going to come back up and get nailed there, and then it came down. One thing I did do is I did move my target some, but still wouldn't hit my original target. So I'm happy with what I did there. How's everyone finishing the day? We have a couple minutes left. I guess, I mean, you don't have to finish your day just because I'm stopping. I'm not stopping anyway. I'll trade after the stream's over. But I also have some other stuff to do. Right now, you probably hear me opening mail. Oh, which company? JJR, Apex, or Bulenox? Excellent job, John. Glad to hear that. So we are wrapping up for the day. I do want to, great, excellent, JJR. So did you pass? Oh, okay, 720, I see. Excellent. Well, keep it up. Keep taking those breaks so you don't get too jazzed one way or the other. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. When I switched over to the new software to stream, I forgot to put the end screen up, so we're just going to end. Oops. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.